Efficiency is the key to staying ahead. At Novacomp, we understand that process automation is more than just a technological upgrade. It's a strategic necessity. Process automation drives efficiency by eliminating repetitive tasks, reducing errors, and freeing up valuable time for innovation. But it's not just about adopting IT practices. It requires professionals who can identify improvement points, understand your business, and stay updated on the latest trends and technologies. By the way, we would like to present to you one of our success stories for the retail, manufacturing, and transportation sector. Our client faced challenges like optimize inventory management, improve quality control, and reduce fuel consumption. Our proposal was based on process automation through the implementation of machine learning models and predictive analytics, with which we achieved 15% reduction in inventory costs, manufacturing, 20% reduction in product defects, transportation, 10% savings in fuel costs. Thanks to process automation, our team improved operations, reduced costs, and generated additional revenues of $1 million. Novacomp's experts are not just IT specialists. They have a deep understanding of your business and the solutions it needs to address real pain points. Transform your business with process automation and experience unparalleled efficiency. Trust Novacomp to lead your journey towards a smarter, more efficient future.